Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Everyone, this is Max & Sons Parfum again, and today we are going to unbox the Police To Be Rebel tester bottle from Italy. Okay, so we are going to unbox this tester bottle, Police To Be Rebel. Alright, so what is this? You can see the box is like just like a pure white color. Okay, alright, so we are going to open in a few minutes. Okay, so this is Max & Sons Parfum once again, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, put a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss any of my contents, which is unboxing perfumes and giving you some tips on how you use perfumes. Alright, okay, so we will open now the Police. As you can see, this is how we open it because this is a tester bottle. Alright, like this one. Okay, let's be careful on this. Alright, so this is the bottle, because you can see. Alright, so this is the bottle. Okay, so there we go. So we open it already. So we have the bottle already. So as you can see, the shape is like skeleton or a skull, and it has like this. As you can see, it has a police emblem in front, and we have also the rebel, which is, as you can see, it's a sticker. Alright, and this is the side, how it looks like. Alright, okay, this is the side, and I believe this is the cup. You can remove it like this one. Oh, a little bit tight because it's new. Alright, so this is the bottle without the cup. So as you can see, this is the nozzle already. So we can try to, spray. Okay, so you can see, smells like bubble gummy. So what is the Rebel? Alright, I think Police, the main accords of this Police is like it has aromatic, fresh and spicy, marine, we have citrus, we have aquatic, we have ozonic, woody, white floral, musky, and we have also amber. Okay, and we also like To Be Rebel by Police is, it's a fragrance for men actually. Yeah, it's for men. As you can see on the bottle, it's for men. Okay, it's very unique bottle, and it was launched in 2016. Top notes are violet leaf, we have grapefruit, we have black pepper, we have nutmeg, and the middle notes are, we have orange blossom and suds, and we have the base notes are amberwood, white musk, and vetiver. So those are the notes of this Rebel, as you can see. Very unique. So this is, by the way, like let me check the it's 125 ml actually. So it's 125 ml. So this is a tester bottle, one of my collections. Okay, and if you want to buy this one, it's actually, this is less than $20 actually. So you can buy it from Max & Sons Parfum, and you can message my Facebook page, and you can message me on my YouTube channel as well, which is Max & Sons Parfum also. And we have also the Facebook page, which is Max & Sons Parfum also. So as you can see, this is Rebel. So as you see, the bottle is very unique. It is a skull shape with the red cup on the top, like it's a resemblance of like how do you say this? It's like a gong, something like that. So maybe when you try to use this, but the smells also is quite nice. It's not the strong, but it's some kind of bubble gummy, and it's so like aromatic. It's like fresh and spicy smell. It has marine also, citrus, aquatic, ozonic, woody, white, floral, musky, and amber. So if you like this smelling like woody with floral, amber, with aquatic, citrus, marine, fresh, spicy, aromatic, I think you should wear this one. And I think this one it could be wear like maybe, I don't know if it's we can wear it during the night. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we can, like summer is okay, spring is most appropriate for spring, and then summer. Alright, once again, so this is Max & Sons Parfum. So this is the front side of the bottle, okay, as you can see, and this is the side, and this is the other side, okay, and this is the back, and this is the bottom of the bottle, the code. You can see there, as you can see, it says tester, not for sale. So it shows the authenticity of the bottle. Alright, and this is how it looks when you remove the cup. Okay, this is the cup. Okay, alright, this is the cup, as you can see. Okay, so I think that would be all, and thank you for watching. Alright, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends, and like the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Max & Sons Parfum. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good one. See you again later.
Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.